Okay, so today apparently they are laying the cement for the floor before we tile the whole house. Apparently this area is dry already. That area I cannot walk, otherwise I'll leave all my footprints there, like you know those 小狗 always they put cement floor already, then all the 小狗 will walk on the cement then leave cute little paw prints, except my leg print, my footprint not very cute lah, so I better not walk. If you can't leave cute paw prints then you don't walk, okay? So all our things move here already so that they can do all this. So toilet did waterproofing, or rather doing. So now all the unnecessary walls are already gone. So this will be a walk-in pantry. You will have glass, cho glass, then cho glass. But not the whole thing lah, only panels to cover. So now I'm very apprehensive, I cannot walk there. I can only film from this location. Okay, here I can walk. So we will replace all these ugly windows. Then our wall is up. This wall will separate, will be the wall for the storeroom. So we relocated the storeroom from here to there because my client doesn't really like walking into the house, into a door, another door. So I mean just nice lah, because they need a walk-in pantry connect to the kitchen. That's why I put the storeroom there, which makes perfect sense for me lah. So now looking at everything in perspective, you will see the son's room, walk-in wardrobe, and master bedroom, which is a lot bigger now that we remove the old wardrobe. So the old wardrobe will be a walk-in wardrobe here. All this will be glass. Then here onwards, we will have a step-up platform. Okay, step-up platform. That will be our living room. Here, we will have an island counter, a virtual island counter. So the whole thing is really an open concept. Open until cannot open already. There are no dividing walls. Whatever wall we can have, we have already had. So it makes sense lah. So except for some unfortunate cases, there are certain things that we wanted to do here, cannot do. Yep. Wow, all this fan 100年前流行过 one, cannot make it. So all this will be gone eventually. This house will be very chill. But in the more local retro Scandi mixed with a little industrial, a little. More retro Scandi than industrial lah. So for the recess area, which the previous owner already bought, right? The game plan is there will be floor to ceiling cabinets, shoe cabinets. Then we will have cladding, carpentry cladding, and then we will have very chill breeze block here to finish it up. These gates will be gone, so it will be replaced by a full set of gates here, new gates, which will look more grand, more tafang lah. So yep, this is the game plan. Hi. Hi. Your nails very long, is it? I can hear your footsteps. Sit, Snowy, sit, 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 sit. Wait, sit. Teacher say you cute, eh? Good girl. Yeah, girl. Snowy 的你。
So 29, then the base I can do 35. So storage area about 60.